Have you ever wondered if machines can bury the secrets of history? Can they tell the story of a bygone era that we've never known? Today, we're not just going to watch, we're going to truly uncover the forgotten pages of 8 classic Ford tractors from the 60s and 70s. These aren't just ordinary machines, they are living relics, steel legends that shaped an entire generation. Join us on this journey because their stories will change the way you see the world. Don't leave, because the greatest secrets are waiting for you at the end of this video. Hit the subscribe button now to become a part of this quest. In the noisy symphony of the 60s, the Ford 2000 tractor offered a simple and elegant melody. Born from a legacy of inheritance and innovation, it didn't have a massive presence, but every line exuded reliability. The Ford 2000 is an image of a new beginning, of the first seeds sown in the fields, of the farmers who placed their trust in a compact, efficient machine that could handle every task. It was a silent companion, dedicated to meticulous work, creating beauty through its simplicity and durability. The ingenuity of the Ford 2000 was demonstrated through its vibrant 3-cylinder diesel engine, with a modest PTO horsepower of 31, just enough to conquer every corner of a small farm. Its compatibility with various attachments and an improved hydraulic system turned it into a versatile monument. This was a Ford tractor for every family, a testament to the fact that true power lies in versatility and the ability to serve. What makes the Ford 2000 immortal is its simplicity. It didn't seek attention, but it quietly became a part of memory, a symbol of diligence. To this day, somewhere in the fields, you can still catch a glimpse of its silhouette, steadfast and resilient, as a reminder that core values will never go out of style. If the Ford 2000 was a gentle melody, then the Ford 4000 tractor was the powerful beat of a heart full of ambition. From its launch, it quickly became a bright star, a symbol of strength and productivity. With its mighty 4-cylinder engine reaching a gross horsepower of 62.5, the Ford 4000 was more than just a machine. It was Ford's promise of a promising agricultural future. The superiority of the Ford 4000 lay in its diverse transmission options. Buyers could choose from a 4-speed, 5-speed, 12-speed, or even a modern 10-speed full power shift transmission. It was this flexibility that made the Ford 4000 suitable for a wide range of tasks, from plowing to pulling trailers, making it one of the best-selling tractor models. A secret few know is that for the first 3 years of production, the Ford 4000's design was almost identical to the previous 801 and 901 series. It wasn't until 1965 that Ford introduced a completely new 3-cylinder version. Beyond its power, the Ford 4000 was also equipped with many convenient features such as headlights, taillights, a premium seat, and a toolkit, showing that Ford was paying more attention to the operator's experience. To this day, the Ford 4000 remains one of the most sought-after vintage tractors on the market. The combination of its powerful engine, flexible options, and outstanding reliability made the Ford 4000 one of the greatest classic Ford tractors, a true workhorse. In the epic saga of Ford tractors, the Ford 6000 is a tragic chapter. Bearing the title of Commander, it was a story of failed ambition. The Ford 6000 was a discordant note in Ford's perfect symphony, a daring act of bravery that didn't yield the expected results. This tractor was the embodiment of a groundbreaking idea, a clutchless 10-speed, Selecto-speed transmission, a promising technology that turned into a nightmare. The problem lay in its lack of refinement. The Selecto-speed transmission constantly malfunctioned, causing unexpected trouble and high costs for users. Thousands of tractors had to be recalled, leaving a painful scar on Ford's history. The Ford 6000 not only failed technically, but it also damaged the trust that farmers had in the brand they believed in. However, every scar tells a story. The Ford 6000 is a reminder of humility and the importance of perfection. It was from this painful lesson that Ford rose up stronger, more resolute in its commitment to quality. The Ford 6000 was an unfinished symphony that became the catalyst for later great successes, turning failure into a part of its legend. After the darkness of the Ford 6000, the Ford 5000 tractor emerged like a brilliant dawn. It was born not just to replace an old machine line, but to restore honor to an entire empire. With a powerful engine and a robust design, the Ford 5000 re-established Ford's position on the global agricultural map. It was a source of pride, the most powerful answer to all the doubts. Equipped with a powerful four-cylinder diesel engine with a horsepower of up to 75, the Ford 5000 became a perfect choice for large farms. More than just a machine, it was a symbol of reliability. Its 8-speed transmission, along with an extremely durable hydraulic system, made this tractor one of the most beloved models. In the UK and Ireland, the Ford 5000 became a phenomenon, an indispensable part of agricultural life. The story of the Ford 5000 is a story of redemption. It didn't just work hard in the fields, it worked to regain trust, to build a solid legacy. Its power, durability, and efficiency helped Ford not only overcome a difficult period but also reach new heights. The Ford 5000 is Ford's halo, shining brightly and enduring through time. In Ford's legendary lineup, the Ford 3000 tractor was a silent and resilient warrior. It didn't impress with absolute power, but it conquered with its versatility and reliability. Launched alongside the Ford 2000 and 4000, the Ford 3000 defined the utility tractor segment, becoming the top choice for farms that needed a machine that could do everything. The success of the Ford 3000 lay in its perfect balance. The powerful three-cylinder engine with a PTO horsepower of 38 to 40, along with various transmission options, turned this machine into a universal tool. From plowing and planting to hauling, the Ford 3000 always performed its tasks flawlessly. In the European market, it was known by the name Super Dexta, a nickname that said it all: super efficient and reliable. Overcoming the test of time, the Ford 3000 is still sought after by enthusiasts and collectors. Each of these classic tractors is a story of diligence, perseverance, and a tireless spirit of service. It may not be the brightest star, but it is the most enduring, proving that stability and efficiency are the greatest measures of a machine. When the call for productivity rang out, Ford responded with a new breeze, the Ford 7000 tractor. Launched in 1971, this was the first Ford tractor to be equipped with turbocharged technology. It was more than just an improvement, it was a leap forward. The four-cylinder diesel engine with its turbo wing boosted horsepower to 93, pushing past all previous limits. With its new power, the Ford 7000 needed a sturdy armor. The transmission and hydraulic systems were upgraded, allowing the driver to easily control the immense power. Its modern 16-speed transmission helped to optimize performance on all terrains, from dry fields to wet ground. The Ford 7000 was not just a powerful tractor, it was also a symbol of innovation, a declaration about the future of agriculture. To this day, the Ford 7000 remains a source of pride for collectors. It not only represents a technological advance, but also a testament to Ford's willingness to challenge its limits. Every sound from its turbocharged engine is an epic song of progress, of the ambition to conquer the unimaginable, making it a glorious part of tractor history. As large-scale farms grew, the Ford 8000 tractor was born as a proud conqueror. In 1968, Ford introduced this heavy-duty machine, a formidable rival for all competitors. With its massive six-cylinder diesel engine, it achieved a horsepower of up to 117. The Ford 8000 didn't just work, it mastered the job. Its superior power made it the new standard for heavy-duty tractors. The power of the Ford 8000 wasn't just in its engine. Its independent three-function hydraulic system allowed it to perform multiple tasks at the same time without faltering. The partial power shift transmission made it easy for the driver to control its immense power. It was a perfect combination of strength and technical finesse, a machine born to dominate. A little-known secret is that the Ford 8000 opened a new era for Ford. It proved that the company was not only good at making compact tractors, but could also create reliable giants. Every time the Ford 8000 tractor rolled across a field, it wasn't just working, it was continuing the legend of a brand that had once almost fallen. And finally, we come to the pinnacle of this era, the Ford 9000 tractor. Launched just 1 year after the Ford 8000, this tractor was a statement of Ford's leadership. With its powerful turbocharged engine, the Ford 9000 pushed the horsepower limit to 145, making it one of the most powerful machines of the 70s. The Ford 9000 was not just a tractor, it was a symbol of relentless progress. It was proof that Ford was tirelessly seeking optimal power and performance. Its dual-power transmission and advanced hydraulic system made the Ford 9000 a perfect machine, capable of handling the heaviest jobs with incredible ease and precision. Few people know that the Ford 9000 was created to directly challenge the giants of other brands, and it won. It made history, leaving behind a legacy of power and determination. To this day, lovers of classic tractors still see the Ford 9000 as a work of art, a monument to human engineering capability. These machines are not just steel and engines, they are stories of diligence, ambition, stumbles, and rebirth. They are a part of us, a part of the history written on the fields. Every rust spot, every scratch is a memory of a bygone era. Let us know which tractor touched your heart and made you want to return to those old values. Leave a comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so we can continue our journey to discover these immortal legends.